Good morning children. Today's date 29 2020 second class maths. Okay Nana, previous classes we learned numbers and number names also. Okay na? Okay, today we'll get into the textbooks. So in the textbooks first chapter is only we have the recall chapter. Okay na? So first one in number stacks we have to learn. So what we have to learn in the number stacks Nana, we have to learn after number. In the previous class itself we have learned, in the first class only learned number, before numbers, after numbers, between numbers, ascending order, descending order, addition, subtractions, all this we have learned in the previous year only. But today again we have to recall that that content. Okay, so only two problems or one problem only I will explain you Nana. Remaining all the content whatever is there in the textbook, all the exercise you have to do it as homework at home. Okay na? First we'll go for the after numbers and before numbers. Okay, so first we'll see the after numbers. After numbers. Next, before numbers. After numbers, before numbers, and between numbers. I think you all know last year itself you are very perfect in these numbers, I think. Sir, Ashina? Yes, okay. First we'll go for the after numbers, then before numbers, and then between numbers. So now tell me Nana, after means what? After means what? The number which comes after is called tarvata vachedani after number antam. Before means, for example, one number I have given. For that number, the number which comes before, that means mundu vache number ni before number antam. So next, between numbers means what? The numbers which come in front of, in middle of the two, side of the two numbers, one number will be coming in the middle. That number we call it as between number. I will show it here Nana. Example I take, see here numbers I am taking here. From numbers I am taking from 20 onwards, from 21 onwards I will take. Okay na? So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay na? This I'll explain. Okay na? How we will find out the before numbers and after numbers and between numbers and we will find out now. So for example Anna, so we'll take for example we'll say 27 number. Okay na? 27 after 27. I am writing the number 27. After number means after we have to find out. After 27 after what will come? After ante tarvata. ఈ నెంబర్ తర్వాత వచ్చేదాన్ని after number అంటాం. ఓకేనా? 27 after what will become? After means what is there? 27 after what is there? 27 after what is there? After means back numbers are for a particular number. Remaining all numbers which will come back are called after numbers. The numbers which will come before ante mundu for a particular number, if any numbers will come before front numbers are all called the before numbers. Okay na? See here now we have written 27 number here. We have written the number 27. So 27 after what will come Nana? What will come here? 27 after what? Yes, 28. 28. Okay. Now tell me Nana one more number. Take for example 29 will take here. 29 will take here. So 29. 29 is what here? 29 here or 29? So 29 is here. So what is the after number for 29? After number means what? Tarvata. Tarvata which numbers means 29 numbers. 29 means what? What will come? 29 after what will come? Yes, 30. So 29 after 30 like that. For example, we will take now 46 you take. 46. 40 in numbers 46 after what will come? 45 or 46 are? See here. 46, 47, okay, 45, 44. So this is your 46 number. This is your 46. So 46 we have taken. 46 after what? After means back. All the back numbers are called after numbers. All the front numbers are called before numbers. I think you all have understood the topic Nana. So now tell me 46 after what will come Nana? 46 after what will come? Yes, 47. These are the after numbers. Now we will see the before numbers. We will see Nana. Before roughly I am writing Nana. 13 number will take. Next what will take? 24 we take. Next 36 we will take. Okay, now these are the numbers. So 13 before what will come? Before ముందు వచ్చే నెంబర్స్ ని బిఫోర్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ take again I will take the examples here 11 12 13 14 15 like this I will take. Okay na? So where is 13 here? This is the 13 before means 13 ki before front numbers, whatever numbers are there in the front number are called the before numbers. The numbers which are back numbers are called the after numbers. For this 13, which is the before number of the 13, what is there? For this 13 before number is what nana here? 12. 13 కంటే ముందు ఏ నెంబర్ ఉంది నాన్న? 12. So this before for 13 before number is what nana? Yes, 1 to 12. For 13 before number is what nana? 1 to 12. So now you tell me nana 24. Here 24 he has given. So 24 ki before what will come? 24 before what will come? So for example you see here 14 is there. So 24 you think it has 24. So 24 ki before what will come? Before means mundu. Forward numbers are all forward numbers are the before numbers. So what will come here? Yes, 24. Okay na? Next what is this here? 3 6 36. 3 6 36. 36 means what here? 36 you see here once. For example you think it has 36. 3 6 36. So 6 ki before what will come? Mundu number em untu 36 ki? Yes, 5 35. So we have to write it here 3 5 35. This is about the before numbers. Next we will see the after between numbers we will see now. So 11 dash 13 29 dash 31 47 dash 49. Okay, so 11 is there, 13 is there. What is the missing letter in the middle nana? What is the number is? One number will be missing. So what is that missing? That missing number is nothing but the between number. Okay, in easy method to understand you. So 11 after what will come? 12 will come. So 13 before what will come? 12 will come. So from these two numbers one number will be missing. One number is missing. That missing that particular number whatever is missing is nothing but the between numbers. Now see here, tell me nana 11 13. In the middle what number has to come? Tell me nana. Yes, 1 to 12. 2 9 29. 31. So 29 ki 30 ki mean what will come? Which number is missing here? 29 after what will come? Yes, 30. Very good. 31 before what will come? Tell me. Yes, 30. So this 30 will become the between number. So from these two numbers one number will be missing. That missing number is nothing but the between number. So what is the number here? 47 47 49 49. So from these two which number is missing here? Yes, 48 48 is the number. So now these are the between numbers, before numbers and the after numbers. Okay na? So next also nana second top this is bit 1 and this is bit 2. We'll see the greatest numbers and the circle number, greatest number and the smallest number. So greatest and smallest number. So greatest and the smallest numbers. Okay nana, see here for example 90 37 85 42. Some numbers he has given here, some numbers we have got here. So now we have to circle the greatest number. Now we have to circle the greatest number. So which the greatest number means what nana? Then which is the big number is called the greatest number. Small number is called the smallest number. So which is the biggest number here? 1 is bigger, 3 is bigger, 8 is bigger, 4 is bigger. So single digit first we will take the single digit. Okay na? Two digits means you may get confused. So always we have to check it for the from the tens place we have to check it. Okay na? Ones place and tens place. If we give one single digit means we can check it only the single number and we can identify it. But here he has given the two numbers. That means tens place also he has given. So two digit numbers he has given. So we have to check it first for the ones and tens place we have to check it. In the tens place which is the small biggest number is there? 1 is bigger, 3 is bigger, 8 is bigger, 4 is bigger. Which number will become big number? Yes, 8 will become the big number. So yes or no? So 19, 37, 85 and 42. Which number will become big number? Yes, 85 will become the big number. So this is the greatest number. 85 is the greatest number. So 19, 37, 85 and 42. From these numbers, 85 number is the what is the number? Greatest number. This is the greatest number. Now see one more example. We'll go for the smallest number, Nana. We'll go for the smallest. Nana, I am giving only examples here. Textbook you have to do by your own itself. Okay, now only examples I am explaining here. Remaining full textbook you have to do by your own. For example, here we will go for 47 we will take here, and 26 we will take, 14 we will take, and 96 we will take. These are the numbers we have given. Now we have to find out the smallest number. We have to smallest number means the numbers which will come first. Starting first numbers are nothing but the smallest numbers. All back numbers will become the greatest number. So numbers which are small numbers here we have to identify now. 47, 47, 26, 26, 14, 14, 96, 96, 96. So these are the two-digit numbers we have given here. So we have to check it with the help of the tens place. Okay, we'll go with the tens place. What is it in the tens place, Nana? 4, 2, 1, 9. So from 4 to 1, 9. So which number is a small number? Which number? 1 is smaller, 2 is smaller, 4 is smaller, 9 is smaller. Yes. So automatically 1 number is a small number. So tens place number is what here? 1. So that will become the small number. So 1 4 14 is the smallest number. 1 4 14 is the smallest number. Okay, now I think you all have understood the greatest number and the smallest number. Numbers which is a big number is called the greatest number. The number which is the small is called the smallest number. Next we have the ascending order and the descending order also we have. Ascending order means what, Nana? Tell me, ascending order means what? Shall I explain it here? Okay, I am explaining it here clearly. Ascending order. Ascending order means what, Nana? Ascending order. Ascending order means what? Small number to big number is called the ascending order. Small number to big number is the ascending order. Descending order means what? Big number to small number is called descending order. So now we will see the ascending order. Now we will see the ascending order. So in this ascending order, the numbers will be given zigzag. Okay, now in a jumbling method they will give. Numbers will be given in a jumbling manner. So we have to find out we have to arrange them in a order form. Okay, now 75, 24, 36 will take. Like this numbers will take. But this is the example I am taking, Nana. Textbook you have to do by your own itself. Okay, Nana? Okay, what is this number? 75, 75, 24, 24, 36, 36. Okay, now? So ascending means what I told you? Tell me, ascending means what? Yes, small number to big number. Small number to big number. So in this, which is the small number? Two numbers he has given. So you may get confused. If they give single digit, you can do it easily. Yes or no? Okay, so two digit numbers he has given. So first we have to check it with our left side. From left side onwards only we have to check. Left side what will be there, Nana? So tens place. Ones place, this is tens place. Ones place and this is tens place. In tens place numbers only we have to check it first. So in tens place what is there, Nana? 7, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 7 is bigger. 7 is smaller. 2 is smaller. 3 is smaller. Which number, when you are writing numbers, which number will come first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the numbers now. In these numbers, so 7 is here, 2 is here and 3 is here. Yes or no, children? Okay, 7, 3, 2. From this 7, 3, 2, which number is coming first? Which number is coming first now? Tell me, Nana. Yes, 2 is coming first. So 2 will become what? 2 will become 2, 4, 21 will become what? Yes, 2, 4, 24 is the small number. So to understand you, Nana, you have to put it cross mark. To not to get confused, you have to put it as cross mark. So So 2 4 from these three numbers, which number is small number? Yes, 2 4 24 is the smallest number. Okay, so this 2 is completed. Fine, very good. We are stopping. Okay, now next what is left over? 7 3. So from this 7 and 3, which number is coming forward first? So 7 is we are writing 7 number first. 3 number we are writing first. From this 2, yes. So 3 is a small number. Okay, na? So we have to cross it and we have to write it here 3 6 26. Next what is left over? Automatically the one only remaining one will be the largest number. So 7 5 75 is here. So this is ascending order. Once again telling Nana, ascending order means what? Small number to big number. Ascending order means what? Small number to big number. So 24, 36, 75. This is the ascending order form. This is what form, Nana? Ascending order form. Okay, now we'll go for the descending order. Descending order means what, Nana? Just now I told you. Just now I told you about descending order. Descending order means what? Tell me descending order. Descending order means what? Big number to small number. Descending order means big number to small number. For example, we'll take 72, 65, 72, 65, 90. Okay, 96 will take. Okay, now these are the rough numbers I am taking, Nana. These numbers are not there in the textbook. Textbook work should be done by yourself with the help of your parents. Okay, na? Okay, 72, 65 and 96 we have given. So biggest number you have to. So here 2 digits has given. So 2 digits means always you have to check your left hand side. Left hand side number will be the tens place. You have to check always from your left hand side. Okay, now left side numbers means what place? What is the place value of left hand side, Nana? Tens place. First we have to check it with the tens place. In this tens place, 769. 769. So I am writing it here rough work, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. Okay, now 9 numbers he has given here. 9 numbers we have taken. So where is 7 here now? 7 is here. This is the 7 number. Okay, fine. Where is 6 here? This is 6 here. So where is 9 here? This is 9 here. So from this 7, 6, 9, which number is coming back? So big descending order means big number to small number. All back, I have already told you, all back numbers are the big numbers. All the forward numbers will be the small numbers. Okay, now? So 765, sorry, 769. Which number is back? So which is the back number? Which is the back number? Tell me, Nana. 679. Which is the back number? Yes, 9. So 9 will be the big number. That means, Nana, 6 chocolates is more, 7 chocolates is more, 9 chocolates are more, 6 more, 7 more, 9 more, 9 chocolates are more. So automatically 9 will become the big number. So this back number, then 9 will become the big number. So 769. So which is the number now we have to write? Yes, we have to cross it here. 96. 96 is the biggest number we have to write. So 9 finished, completed. We are having, okay, finished off. 72, 65. So from this 7 is 6. So which is the number coming back? Which is the big number, tell me? Which 6 chocolates are more than 7 chocolates are more? Yes, automatically 7 chocolates are more. Yes or no? So automatically 7 number will become big or smaller? Yes, 7 number will become big. So we have to cut it 72 there and we have to write down 72 here. So next what is left over automatically? Only one number is left over, that is nothing but 65. We have to write like this in order form. I think you have understood, Nana. If you are not able to understand, you can make a call to me and you can ask the doubt so that I can clarify your doubt if you are not able to understand. So Nana, these are your exercise. Please open the page number. Page number 8 and 9 you have to do by your own, Nana, because already in the previous year you have learned each and every content. Again I explained it now. So you have to do this homework by your own. Okay, now see, Nana. First one you see, fill in the boxes with the number that come before, after and the between the given numbers. So here he has given between numbers, after numbers and before numbers. So you can do it neatly, no, Nana? Yes, you have to do by your own. Circle, encircle the greatest number. So here 4 numbers he has given. From that, which is the greatest number? Greatest number means big number. Greatest number means big number. Don't get be confused. So that biggest number, big number, you have to circle. And circle the smallest number. From these four numbers, which is the smallest number? That small number you have to circle it. Okay, now you can do it. I think so. Yes. Next, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order, descending order. I have explained you. Here 4 problems he has given. Don't get confused. All these are same means. So fully has given Nana. So from this you have to check it properly and you have to do it. Okay na? So ascending order two problems he has given. Descending order also two problems he has given. So please go through it and do it neatly and neatly. Okay na? Next bit is what? Write the number names. The previous class I have taught you about the number names. Yes or no? You already know 1 to 100 number names. Yes or no? So these number names you have to write down here. Okay na? And for these number names you have to write numbers. For numbers you have to write number names, and for number names you have to write numbers. Okay na? Yes. Next we'll go for the addition and subtraction. I think Nana you can do it additions and subtractions very well. So again I will not explain you. In the previous year you have learned all the additions. So you can frame the additions and you have to do by your own knowledge. Additions, subtractions you have to do. Okay na? Next next is what Nana? Fill in the shape of the color with after addition or subtraction match with the numbers given at your left. So Nana, here what he has given 5, 7, 3, 8. The correct answer for these numbers, these are the numbers we have. So a jumbling method he has given. So 5 is the answer. So 5 is the answer. 8 minus 2 means what will come Nana? 6 will come. So is this correct answer? No. So 7 minus 1 means answer is 6. Correct answer? No. 6 minus 5 what will come? 1. So is it correct answer? No. 3 plus 2 means 5. So the 5 is the answer. So you have to circle for this. You have to color it for this 3 plus 2. So you have to check the number here. If addition symbol is there, you have to add. If subtraction symbol is there, you have to subtract it. So if you have whatever the correct answer you will get, for that number you have to do the coloring. This is your exercise. And match the shapes, match the following. So match the following. You know all the shapes you have done, Nana. So shapes also you have learned in the previous class. Once again I will explain it here. So what is this shape, Nana? Opposite sides are equal sides. Opposite sides are equal sides. What will say? Yes, this is rectangle. This is what, Nana? Rectangle. Both opposite sides are equal. It's called what? Rectangle. So next shape. What is this shape, Nana? So what is this shape? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. What is this shape? Circle. C-A-R-C-L-E. Circle. So what he has given? See here. So what is this? The three sides are equal sides. It's called what? Triangle. Triangle. You can match it now. You already know from UKG onwards you are learning these shapes. Okay, now rectangle, square, circle, triangle. So you have to match it. So your homework is page number 8 and 9. Okay, now page number 8 and 9 you have to do it as homework. Okay, now I think all I have understood, Nana. If you don't understand, please make a call. Okay, now? Okay, bye.